Brayden knows it and brings to you its Aquo 11 electric kettle. This product is made for multi-purpose usage like boiling, keeping beverages warm, boiling milk, making soup, prepping tea and coffee, boiling egg, making stew, sterilizing, etc. And for this, it has 20 preset buttons. To adjust the temperature manually, it has a manual temperature adjustment option. Its capacity is of 1.5 liters. So well, go ahead, you can throw yourself a beverage party. With the auto shut-off feature, you can save water from overboiling. Boil dry protection. Well, this prevents the kettle when it's heated in the absence of water. This supreme product is made of Premium Borosilicate transparent glass. SS304 heating plate. This manages and maintains the precise control over temperature. With the use of soft touch buttons, you can operate this device very easily. This product is also really easy to clean as it has a wide mouth. Inside the box, you get the Brayden Aquo 11 electric kettle. You also get an egg rack where you can place up to 6 eggs as well as a tea infuser. Well, my cup of coffee is ready and it sure smells delicious. Why don't you go and check out the Brayden Aquo 11 electric kettle right today and enjoy your coffee like you never have before.